In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Telegram app for business on Go High Level. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Telegram connected inside your Go High Level account so you can manage conversations more efficiently in one place. Let's start inside your Go High Level dashboard. From your main screen, look for the option labeled App Marketplace. This is usually found in the left-hand sidebar or in your main navigation menu depending on your layout. Go ahead and click on App Marketplace. This is where you'll find all the apps and integrations that can extend the functionality of your Go High Level account, including Telegram. Once the marketplace opens, you'll see a search bar at the top or near the top of the page. Click into that search field and type the word Telegram. Be sure you spell it correctly, all one word, and then wait a moment for the marketplace to load the matching results. This search will filter all available apps and show you the specific Telegram-related integration you need. In the list of results, you should see an app called Telegrap. This is the integration that connects Telegram to Go High Level. Find Telegrap in the results and click on it to open its details page. On this page, you can usually see a brief description of what the app does, any pricing information if applicable, and what kind of permissions it needs. Take a quick moment to skim through this so you know what you're installing. Next, look for the button that says Install. It's typically positioned near the top right or center of the Telegrap page. Click on Install to begin adding this app to your Go High Level account. When you do this, Go High Level and Telegrap will start the connection process between their platforms. After clicking Install, simply follow the on-screen prompts. These steps may include confirming which account or location you want to connect, granting permissions, and authorizing access to your Telegram account. Make sure you read each prompt carefully and approve the necessary permissions so the integration can work properly. If you're asked to log into Telegram or paste in any connection details, keep your information secure and only enter it within the official Go High Level